Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Meet on laptop step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your laptop. In the address bar, type www.google.com. Press enter to navigate to the Google homepage. Look for the apps icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the apps icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Scroll through the menu and select Google Meet. If you don't see Google Meet, you can type Google Meet in the search bar and hit enter. On the search results page, click on the official Google Meet link. You will be taken to the Google Meet homepage. Here, you will see an option that says Get Started. Click on Get Started to proceed. If prompted, sign in with your Google account credentials. Enter your email address and click Next. Then, input your password and click Next again. Once signed in, you will be directed to the Google Meet interface. To install the desktop app, look for the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Click on the dots to open the menu. Select Install Google Meet if available. If you do not see that option, you can create a shortcut instead. Click on More Tools and then select Create Shortcut. Name the shortcut as Google Meet and click Create. This will add Google Meet to your desktop for easy access. To use Google Meet, simply double-click the new icon. You are now ready to start or join meetings via Google Meet on your laptop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.